Hey everybody, this is Rich and Katie down along the river, Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Got a little hair tickling somewheres, and I'm dying. I seen it done on one of my people I follow on YouTube, Josh and Babe, some of my friends on the cooking community out there in California. Now, this is crazy. I've seen it on their channel. You go check their channel out. I'll leave their link up here in the description box. We're gonna make donuts in the Nuwave Brio air fryer using some Grand's biscuits. I know, right? That's what I thought. I looked at Katie. I was like, "Oh, let's make donuts in the air fryer using biscuits." And it just looked like I done walked out of the river. So let's get it done. All right, guys, we got our biscuits. About 8 in a pack, I reckon. This is the buttery tasting ones. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna roll this out. I hope it's gonna work out. Let's see. Well, I'm rolling, I'm pushing out so I can get to make it longer. It's like plastic. It's like rubber. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it, but I want to take and twist it. Like a twisty, right? Right?
Yeah.
Help me out now.
What am I helping with?
Oh, there we go. That's not a really good looking twisty.
Well, it's not gonna be.
Check me out. Check me out. All right, twisty number 1. All right, twisty donut. Oh, I got twisted. Shit. There we go. Hold on. There we go. Twisted. Oh. Yeah. All right. Twisty donut number 1. Okay, now we're gonna do a couple of these. We got a cookie cutter, and we're just gonna. Oh yeah. We're gonna blast through some of these. All right, guys. We got our donuts ready to go, and we're gonna use a little bit of our cinnamon sugar here. And we're just gonna coat them. Not real heavy. Just gonna lightly dust them up. We'll hit them again when they come out, when they're hot. All right, guys, we have our air fryer warmed up to 350 degrees. And we got just got our pan in there. So we're just gonna, don't burn myself. Lay the donuts in there. You see, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't want to crowd it up. So we'll put those and some donut holes in there. Ow. All right, guys, 350 degrees for until they're done. All right, guys. Apparently, it takes about 6 minutes. The twisty donut didn't work out. It blew up to me on me, but these other ones worked out. So we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some more cinnamon sugar on them, cook the rest of these up, and we'll get a taste test on them. All right, guys, we're cooking the rest of those donuts. They're still warm. Not bad. Not a bad idea. What do you think?
Not bad.
the butter keeps it moist inside. I think these would be dry without the butter. Not bad.
No. Not bad for a first shot.
But we're not done. Stay tuned. Stick around. All right, guys, we come up with a brilliant idea. We got a piping thing, and we have some organic blueberry jelly, and yeah, we had a couple fails happen to get to this point. Oh, the other cinnamon's done. So you just get it in there, hopefully. Put it in there. Yeah. Give it a little bit of a squeeze there. You can see it. Just push it down in there best you can and close it up. Blueberry jelly filled hoot-to-be donut. So let's get these others piped up, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys. 6 minutes later, we have jelly donuts / biscuits. So we're gonna get them out of there, let them cool down, and give you a taste. All right, folks. Well, our jelly donuts look to be a success, but I'm no idiot. I'm gonna let that center cool down before I put my mouth in that. So let's get back. We'll get back to you with a taste test in a little bit. We have our blueberry filled donut / biscuit, whatever you want to call it. So here we go. I ate all the jelly out of it. Wow. That's pretty good. Very good, guys. Josh and Babe. And thanks for spinning off these donut stuff. Like I said, I wanted to try it. So, kids seem to like it. So, guys, check out what you can do with the air fryer. I have multiple videos up there on my channel. So, guys, check out Josh and Babe's channel. And check out Christy's cooking channel. Also seen it down there. Me and Christy was talking just a little bit ago. Try it. Guys, hope you like it. Hit that like button, thumbs up. And, get you an air fryer. Share it with the world and your friends and family. And when you tell them, what are you going to tell them?
Oh, you're asking me?
Yeah.
That's where we comes from the river.
Maybe the best donuts, too. All right, guys. All right, guys. Be safe out there. Have a good rest of the week. And we'll see you in the next one.